Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So to kick off 2018, I thought I would just do an updated squishy collection video since I haven't done one in a super long time and my collection looks a lot more different than it did last year. And also just a heads up, I'm hosting a giveaway on Instagram with 5 other squishy collectors, so if you're interested in finding how to enter, then just head on over to my Instagram and all the rules are there. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just going to get right into my squishy collection. First, I have this Reedy Banana squishy. And this one is super slow rising and it smells really sweet. Then I have this cake squishy from Soft and Slow Squishies, and it just has these 3 raspberries and this purple sauce. I have this Cafe Dien crepe squishy, and this one just has vanilla ice cream in the middle. Then I also have the chocolate design, which has strawberry ice cream in the middle. And like all Cafe Dien's, these are super soft and slow rising. I have this blue creamy candy star donut. And this smells really good like blueberries. I have this Sammy cake roll. I have this really defected bear skull head, and this one is the non-reproduced version. I have this non-reproduced Cafe Dien ice cream cone. I have this mini milk bottle. I have this catacorn cupcake squishy. And this one is really soft. I have this mini My Melody cupcake. I have this Cafe Dien pastry. I have this mini Hebrew bun. I have this Sammy mascot. I have this mini bitten donut. Then I have this ice cream cone squishy. I have this chocolate Sammy cake, and it just has strawberries and whipped cream. I have this little emoji bun. Next up, I have this chocolate Yummy Bear donut. I also have the original design of the Yummy Bear donut. I have the strawberry melt Hello Kitty donut. And these are the ones that come in the boxes. And then I also have the watermelon design. I have this reproduced mini eye bloom peach. I also have this mini Punimaru pancake. And then I also have the blueberry design. Next, I have this mini Millie the Well squishy. Next, I have this eye bloom peach, and this one is the yellow design. Then I also have the pink design, and these are both the reproduced versions. I have this Cutie Creative Mini Tooth Squishy. I have this Hello Kitty in a bunny costume. Then I also have this mini Pat Pat Zoo dog squishy. So here's the tag. And then here's the little charm. Then I have the same squishy but in the yellow design. Then I also have the sheep squishy in the mini size. Next up, I have this cotton candy yummy bear. I have this pink eye bloom penguin, and I love the packaging on this one. I have this non-repro My Melody head bun. I have this Punimaru koala bun. I have this little peach guy squishy. I have this Ariti carrot squishy. I have this strawberry yummy bear mermaid. I have this baseball stress ball. I have this Gudetama water squishy, and it just opens up like this. I have this black stress ball. I have this elephant on a circus ball squishy, and this one is really soft. Next up, I have this pineapple yummy bear. I have this little ice cream sandwich, and this is also from Soft and Slow Squishies. I have this tiny little Ioma Tokyo waffle, and this one is really defective. Then I also have this Daydream Toast. I have this unicorn squishy from Michaels. I also have this Pom Pom Pier and Cake squishy. And this one is also really defective. Then I have this mini Punimaru lemon squishy. I have this tiny little bunny squishy. I have this super cute little Twin Stars heart macaron. Then I have this jumbo marshmallow. I also have the roasted marshmallow design. I have this Hello Kitty cracking chocolate bar. I have a few of these little pastry squishies. First, I have this little tart. I also have this other design, and it just has these little hearts. And then I also have this cupcake. I have this Punimaru Panda donut. I have this Punimaru cat bun. I have this Chawa pineapple squishy. I have a bunch of the Sanrio Chigri breads. First I have cinnamon roll. And these are all super soft and squishy. I have the puppy design. Then I have Pom Pom Purin. I have 2 of the Kawaii design. Next, I also have the Tuxedo Sam design. And then last but not least, I also have the My Melody design. Next, I have this blue amino sheep. I have this meerkat squishy. I have this I Bloom brownie bread doll. And then the very last squishy in my collection is this Dear Gelato. So that is everything in my squishy collection. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. And like I said in my last video, I will be doing a Q&A once I reach 5,000 subscribers. So if you have a question you want me to answer, just make sure to leave it either somewhere on my Instagram page or just on my last video, which I will link down below and in the end card. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, bye!